Hi, my name is Rishika and this is my Code in Place final project. I've made a virtual assistant using Python. I hope you like it. Here's a glimpse to my source code. I've imported libraries like Python text to speech, speech recognition, web browser. I've used these libraries and the basic if elif ladder to give structure to my virtual assistant. So let's run this code.
Good afternoon. I am Ciraai. How may I help you? Listening.
What is the time?
16 hours and 12 seconds. Cheer up, there is no time like present. Listening.
Tell me a joke.
Schrodinger's attitude to web development: if I don't look at it in Internet Explorer, then there's a chance it looks fine. Listening.
According to Wikipedia, who is Billie Eilish?
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, Billie Eilish, The World's a Little Blurry is a 2021 American documentary film directed by R.J. Cutler and centered around singer-songwriter Billie Eilish. The film reveals the behind-the-scenes creation process of Eilish's debut studio album When We All Fall Asleep, Where Do We Go, with the title referencing a lyric from the album track Ilamalo. Listening.
How old are you?
Thank you for that wonderful question. I am old enough to know better, but still too young to care. Listening.
Okay. Open Instagram.
Listening. I'm sorry, didn't get yet. Listening.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. How are you, dear?
I am good.
It's good to know that you're fine. Listening.
Have a great day.
Thanks for giving me your time.